The aim of today's experiment is to determine the extractive value of the given crude drug. Extractive value means the soluble material present in a crude drug which can be removed from the crude drug using a suitable solvent. So what we need for this, we need conical flask with the stopper, filtration assembly, we need porcelain dish, we need hot air oven, heating mantle, weighing balance, and desiccator, and a crude drug which we have to determine the extractive value. So we have to take 4 grams of crude drug, the powder drug, coarse powder, and 100 ml of solvent. Solvent can be water, petroleum ether, benzene, chloroform, methanol. So whatever is mentioned, that solvent we need to take. So 4 grams of drug add into conical flask and 100 ml solvent we have to add, and immediately we have to place the stopper over it. So there should not be loss of solvent. We have to keep this assembly for 24 hours, and the initial 6 hours we have to stir it frequently, shake it frequently, and after 6 hours for the remaining 18 hours we have to keep it for the completion of extraction process. So after 24 hours, filter it. So this is a funnel where we have placed the filter paper, and the extracted material will be adding here, and here we are getting the filtrate. So take the 25 ml filtrate from the filtrate in this porcelain dish, and before adding this 25 ml of filtrate into porcelain dish, we have to weigh this porcelain dish. So this is empty porcelain dish, and suppose the weight of this empty porcelain dish is 35 grams. So we added 25 ml of filtrate into this 35 grams of porcelain dish, and then we'll keep it for the evaporation of the solvent from this filtrate. So we can use heating mantle or we can use water bath. We have to evaporate till the dryness. So here we have evaporated it, and we can see the change in color. So this is the dark brown color, completely evaporated. And immediately after that, we'll keep it in hot air oven at 105 degrees Celsius for 6 hours. So if any solvent is remaining, that will be removed by this heating. So we'll be keeping for 6 hours. And after 6 hours, we'll be keeping it into a desiccator for 30 minutes for cooling. And immediately after that, we'll weight the crucible, and we'll note the weight. So this is the weight of crucible plus dried extract. So suppose this is 35.30 grams. So the calculations are like this: weight of empty crucible, we had 35 grams. Weight of crucible plus dried extract, it was 35.30 grams. So the weight of dried extract, if we minus empty crucible from this 35.30 grams, we'll be getting the weight of dried extract. So 0.30 gram is a dried extract. Now this 0.30 gram we obtained from the 25 ml solvent. So we had taken 25 ml of solvent. This 25 ml solvent we took in the porcelain dish, and we evaporated it. So we got 0.30 gram. So 25 is giving 0.30 grams. So 100 ml. So total we had 100 ml. So 100 ml will be giving 1.2 gram. So this 1.2 gram we have got from 4 gram of the drug, because we have taken 4 gram of powder. So 4 gram of powder is giving 1.20 gram extract. So 100 gram will give 1.20 into 100 divided by 4, that is 30 gram. So it contains 30%. So so the drug contains 30% of having a 30% extractive value in the solvent, and that means 0.3 gram per gram, that is 300 milligram per gram. So this is the extractive value. So this is one of the evaluation parameter. The drug must contain that much amount of the extract in it to have a pharmacological action or the therapeutic action. Thank you.